Welcome back everybody to yet another video in the inventory component system. I saw a bunch of you were worried that I wouldn't be coming back, but I am. So this is a new video. It was like 2 weeks ago since I uploaded. I've been on a vacation in France, climbing mountains. But now I'm back, so let's just get into it. I think this will be a pretty quick one. I'm pretty tired, so we're just gonna bash out a quick video and then keep going more tomorrow, I think. So let's get into it. We got some bugs, some minor cleanup to do. This is an issue. If we equip a consumable and use items, it doesn't disappear here. So if you got that, if that's an error you have, you need to in here in the consumable or in your inventory component, we need to update after we use. So you have this use consumable 01 function. We need to call on update after we actually use the item. So after we remove an item, we need to update the inventory. We should actually probably only do this if the inventory is open. Do I have a variable for it? Get inventory open. Actually, probably. Let's just get this. Do this. There we go. That should probably work. Yeah. As you can see, no errors and it's working. So basically we just added this update inventory function after we remove item and added this check here, so we only update if the inventory is actually open, and that's it. Remove this. We got another new issue that some other people noticed. If we pick up some stuff and we just keep dragging this out, we'll just keep getting these slots, and that's an issue. So to fix that, you need to go into the drop slot and I had it before. On drop. Yeah, here. So we have this create item amount widget. It's in the inventory component actually. So we have this in the inventory component. We have this create item amount widget. So before we do that, before we create a new one, we remove the old one. So it says reference WB item amount, but since it might not always be valid, we're gonna do is valid. So we only remove it if it exists. If it doesn't exist, we're not gonna remove it. Like that. All right. So that means you can see we now only get one of them. We should also remove it when we close the inventory. Actually, we should probably remove this when we do a bunch of stuff. Pretty much whenever we do anything. So let's get these collapse to a function. copy them, make a new function, remove item amount widget. And we're just going to copy this in. And we can now remove this and just call the function here instead. Remove item amount widget. We should also do that when we close the inventory. We should also do that when we should do that in a bunch of places, because we don't want to have this like, okay, I guess this is fine, but like whenever I do something else, this should be removed. Like if I pick this up again, it should probably be removed. Or whatever. It's removed whenever we refresh, so that's good. But like if I have this here, and if I pick this up, this should probably be removed. So so in the item slot, inventory slot, on the mouse, on mouse button down, owning inventory, that's not the component. Just gonna copy this helper get inventory component. I'm gonna add it to the inventory slot again, so I just copy paste it. Wait, we already have it. Okay, sorry. So on drop. No, not on drop. On mouse button down, gonna get this inventory component. We're gonna call this remove item amount widget. So that means if I do, like if I click something, so we have, yeah, you can see it now disappears. Yeah, that's fine. I think that's fine. Yeah, that's gonna be fine for now. Might change it later. I mean, this is quite comfortable still, like gameplay wise. Like I drop it. Yeah, I think that's good. Should probably also in the inventory slot or in the inventory, in this inventory, we got the category buttons. we have this update when category button pressed. I guess we can use this. Okay, we can probably do it here in the WB inventory. I don't have the helper function here, right? I'm gonna collapse this to a function. The player pawn, the component by class, helper get inventory component. It's gonna be a pure function, and we're also gonna remove item amount widgets whenever we update. So that should mean that yeah, that's good. So now, like, whenever we do stuff in the inventory, we remove this widget pretty much. Yeah, that's good. Perfect. How long is that? That's 12 minutes. That's 12 minutes of bug fixing. I think I am actually gonna finish up there. In the next video, we will get some more bugs like this. If I drop this one, it should also be removed from here. Actually, that's a quick fix. I can do that because right now we can duplicate items. Like if I drop this, pick it up, we now have one more. Just thinking. Yeah, we will start with that in the next video. I'm gonna pause this video here, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks. Bye.